Just decided it was a good day to get some rust cleaned off the outside of the bus. Been wanting to get a paint job for a while, but it just hasn't happened yet. So we're gonna be moving to a new RV park next week, and so I just want to clean it up so that we don't look too scuzzy for their RV park. I'm sure anybody that does body work on a vehicle would tell me that you're not supposed to use an SOS pad. Clean the outside of your vehicle. I don't know what else to use. So this is what I'm using. It's doing a pretty good job. It's not scratching the paint. Most of the rust here is dripping from things, bolts and things that were rusting, so it's just really surface rust. So I don't really have to apply a lot of pressure to get it off. Yeah, just getting things all cleaned up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Is it?
Get her.
Yeah.
He knows who he is. You know who you are.
Are you gonna watch second?
Wait, what's he doing?
He did this. So he looks at me and then I look at him and he goes,
Hey, what are you doing on my swing? You're gonna break it.
Ouch. Are you using Alex to hit people?
Levi.
He's using Alex to hit people.
New episode.
I guess.
Look at Levi, you guys.
Are you done?
Are you back?
Are you it's on Netflix?
I'm gonna play Fortnite.
Huh? Yeah.
My stick!
Levi? Are you dead? Zanta, you.
Levy. Levy.
Have you seen Zanka, you dead? Yeah, man.
Got this door all cleaned off now, so it looks a lot better, which is good. So now I'm just working on a few details, not too much left. That was the worst spot, so.
You belly so your belly is so cute.
On the floor.
Hey.
Meet ya. Nice to meet ya. Nice to meet ya. I like your face, Daddy.
My face? You like my face? That's funny because you have a nice face too.
Yeah.
Sweet in it.
Something. makes it.
We had an extra that we can cart around.
Whoa, that's a giant block of
No, we got
bananas.
that
That apple pie is sweet.
Apple pie. These are strawberries.
Sweetness.
This is moringa.
Moringa. Chaka chaka moringa. Chaka 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 moringa. I beat to a different drum.
you.
Bang 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 bang. I've been beating to my own drum for a long time.
Can I put this on?
Hey, Levi.
Now I can't.
We gotta get everything else.
What are you doing?
I can't. Can I put this?
What?
Don't put
What are you
that
doing,
in this
Levi?
movie.
Yoo-hoo. Vitamin D3.
Don't choke on it like you did last time.
Turmeric. Any old brand will do. Turmeric is to helps keep your wife off your back. Try that. Ashwagandha.
What does that do?
That keeps your wife off your back. It lowers your stress.
It doesn't lower your stress. Helps your body handle stress. Why not?
It's right into. The camera's on.
No, Trina can't have this trainer. She made 15 breakfasts.
Wait, this is gonna be full. It's cheese.
You see the top of the yogurt.
We had an issue with this window, so we had Gorilla Taped it, which worked well, but now we have Gorilla Taped gunk all over it that's been here for months.
What's your problem? Oh.
So I finally got some Goo Gone and cleaned it up.
That all the fractions have a 7 in the bottom. That's really important because when fractions have the same bonds, you just need to look at the tops to tell.
On the Goo Gone. I mean, it was working, but it was taking quite a while, and I'm just using an SOS pad now. This isn't glass up here, it's some sort of like plexi, and so the SOS pad's not scratching it, and it's going a lot faster, so it's a lot easier. So as I sprayed the Goo Gone though, it did take off a bit of a seal from what Michael had put on. That did work, so I'm gonna have to clean all of that off, put it on a clean surface, and hopefully that works well. So one thing that we always intended to do in our bus that hasn't got done is to finish the other sides of the kids' bunk bed walls. We had finished one side and then the frames on the other side, and we never put the tongue and groove planks on the unfinished side. So Michael's just working on that right now on Alex's bed, mostly because on his bed there's some wiring in that wall. The other side of the bunk beds don't have wiring in the walls, but he does, and so he's just fitting it and screwing all those panels in. So this is what the walls have looked like since we lived in our bus. And this is Alex's side. So he's just about done. He's got 1 or 2 more boards to put up there, getting it all nice and closed in. Like I said, there was electrical wiring behind there. Michael had it taped off so it was safe, but it was still exposed and wasn't what we had wanted. Just found some time to finally get that done.
That's good for today.
That is so much better. It's gonna feel so much nicer in here. We need to get that area finished. We haven't known how, we haven't had any ideas of how to do that up until now. We kind of just have been brainstorming it the last few weeks, but we do need to get that window resealed first and get our hands on some insulation to stuff up there before we finish it off. So hopefully in the next few weeks we get that whole area to looking a lot better. That's looking great. The outside is still filthy, so when we move in a week, we're gonna take the bus through a truck wash so the outside will get all nice and clean. These windows are looking a little streaky, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the insides of them, and then those will get washed from the outside when we go through the truck wash too.
Why does it suck so bad? Closer